Well, finally this afternoon, the death of Queen Elizabeth II. Netflix is seeing a surge in viewership for The Crown, the series about the Queen's reign. Season 1 is now in Netflix's top 10. Producers of the show had paused production following news of the monarch's death, but they picked back up today. Excuse me, I have a cough.
It's okay.
I'm not chopped up about it. But the 6th and final season is set to premiere in November, so you don't have to wait too long to see that final season.
I'm not surprised by this news. Not one bit. I've wanted to go back and rewatch it.
Yes.
The first couple seasons are so
It was
so
good. I was hooked. I started actually late, but I
Oh,
went
right,
back
you
to
had
the
to go
beginning.
back. I remember that.
It's good.
It's so
I like
good.
it.
It's really good. I'm curious what they'll do with this new season. We are looking at just a gorgeous September day.